Stick around. Today we're going to be talking about unconventional marketing ideas. Hello everyone, welcome back to the Massage Mentor channel. I just wanted to thank everyone for subscribing. We have now hit our 100 subscriber mark, so thank you very much. I really appreciate that. So the last video we kind of talked about more traditional marketing methods of 2018. Today we're going to talk about non-traditional marketing ideas, how to kind of conserve advertising dollars, if you will, and how to try to get that biggest bang for your buck using techniques that most companies aren't using on a regular basis. So we're going to talk about a few different ideas that you may not have thought of yet that will help drive your marketing sales. The great thing about these marketing ideas is they don't have to break the bank. I mean, they can be as elaborate as you want, but the best thing is that it really is just based on your creativity. I'm going to give you a list of different marketing strategies and give you a little bit of a definition and some ideas. You can also, after I give you these strategies, Google them. There's plenty of different ideas online. Hopefully it will spark your imagination and you guys will come up with some great ideas on your own. If you do come up with some ideas that I don't talk about that you want to share, by all means, please comment them below. If you're new to this YouTube channel, just hit that subscribe button below so that you can get notified the next time a new video comes out. And let's just get on with it. So the first strategy I want to discuss is called Guerrilla Marketing. You may have heard the term before. If you haven't, it's used to surprise or shock the person that is passing by. A couple of great guerrilla marketing ideas that happened. There was a healthcare team. They put posters up of a cast on someone's arm, and it had a string with a dry erase marker that people could write their names on the cast. But as you can imagine, it got people noticing it because everyone's writing on it and their name is right at the bottom. So kudos to them. When the cartoon Simpsons came out, they put faces of Homer Simpson on the bottom of escalators and had donuts going down like they were going into Homer Simpson's mouth. Again, that's just another great idea to get people to notice your brand. Another great idea is called street marketing. Kinko's used highlighters and whiteout sculptures, and they put the whiteout sculptures on the edge of crosswalks, so it looked like the whiteout was used as on the crosswalks. They had highlighter sculptures and no parking zones, and it looked like the highlighter had made the yellow no parking lines, which, again, genius. Something that you could do on a more smaller scale is buy some chalk and draw arrows and color them in to your store. Also, I've seen people that have drawn chalk art on playgrounds or sidewalks that basically just have an advertisement of their business. Costs no money at all, which is fantastic. And it also is free advertising. And how many people walk over that sidewalk a day? The third non-traditional marketing strategy is to hold a seminar. Whether you have a building or you want to hold it at a hotel conference room, it's a great way to get your name out there. You don't have to charge any money to do it. That way people can come for a free seminar, get information about your business. Word of mouth on free is unbelievable. If you do want to charge, if you're a bigger name in whatever industry you're in, you could charge $5 or $10. You get 50 people in there. You made yourself $250 in that hour or 2 hour period. Also while marketing yourself. Seminars, they go a long way. Another great idea is either to hold an event at your location or to go to a community event. As a massage therapist, we go to 3 local community events and we do free chair massage there. It's a great way to get our name out there. Again, people always show up for free. We also hold an open house at our location every 6 months. We usually have a free raffle that drives people to come here, lets people take a tour of the facility, meet the therapists, get some marketing ideas. It's a great way to get people into your business. I highly recommend doing something along those lines. Again, there's nothing wrong with giving something away for free if eventually you're going to get business back off of it. Another form of marketing is called stunt marketing. It again is used to shock the public, but it's on a grandiose scale. So there was a sunglass company that wanted to put sunglasses on the heads of Mount Rushmore presidents, which I think would be absolutely fantastic. Unfortunately, they did not allow them to do that. And you could imagine the advertising publicity they would get from seeing their sunglasses on the heads of Mount Rushmore presidents. Even though they didn't get to do that, they were picked up by a newspaper who publicized the article saying that they wanted to do that. So all of the readers of this newspaper now saw this company's brand name. I mean, it's absolutely genius. And again, it doesn't have to be something that elaborate. I'm just trying to give you some ideas to get your inspiration going for something crazy like that. Another marketing strategy you could do is product placement. If you have someone that you know that makes YouTube videos, that does podcasts, that makes short films, you can ask them to put your product in their video, their podcast, their radio hosting, whatever it is, and you have anywhere from hundreds to millions of people seeing your product without ever really knowing they're seeing the product. My last marketing strategy that I want to talk about has to do with being your own brand ambassador. And it kind of falls in line with product placement. I wanted to save it for last because I'm doing it right now. My business is Kneaded Tranquility. That's my massage therapy business. I have it on my shirt. I have a hat that I go out with. It has our hashtag, It's Needed, on it. I suggest possibly even creating a hashtag for your business. I get stopped probably 2 or 3 times a day when I'm wearing that hat asking me, what does it mean? And the people that don't ask me, they're going on Twitter, they're going on Instagram, they're searching It's Needed to see what it could possibly be talking about. It's a great form of advertising. Be your own brand ambassador. It costs maybe $200 to get a bunch of shirts made, a couple hats, and just wear them out everywhere. Let people see your brand. Be that mobile billboard. It's a fantastic marketing approach. Well, everyone, that concludes our video for today. I really hope that you enjoyed it. There's plenty of other videos if you like this one that you can go watch. Again, if you haven't hit that subscribe button, I don't know what you're waiting for. Hit it now. If you have any other marketing ideas that I did not mention that you think would be great for other people to hear, list them in the comments below. Also, if there's any other content that I haven't created yet that you'd like to see, I'd be happy to do so. Just let me know. You can contact me on Twitter, massage_mogul. You can also send us an email. It's massagemogul1@gmail.com. I'm usually pretty quick about responses, so by all means, either one works. I really appreciate you guys for watching this video, and we'll see you next time.